Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. I don't know why I said that, but once again everybody else says it, so I'm gonna say it too. Hello, this video is weird. Well, it's not really weird, it's just kind of bittersweet because I'm gonna be doing a dorm room haul. This is everything, mostly everything that I got for my dorm room because I am going to college. Am I excited? Yes, except for the school part. No, I'm just kidding. Don't mean to like pull an Olivia Jade scandal on you. I am actually really excited for college. It's crazy because I've been making videos for, I think, since like 8th grade, and now I am making a dorm room haul, which is so weird to think about. Yeah, this is the first of my back to school videos. I don't know if you've been on this channel for a while, but I always used to start them super early, like literally end of July. But since I am going to college, I go back so late. I think I go back like beginning of September, which is crazy late for me. It's pretty self-explanatory. I've never lived alone, so obviously I need some of these necessities. I am living obviously in apartment style. You'll see I have like pots and pans in this, and I also have a roommate, so she's getting some of the stuff as well. Also, quick shout out to Bed Bath & Beyond because I am partnering with them on this video, which is so cool because regardless of me working with them or not, I still would have shopped there for all this dorm stuff. Most of the things in this video are obviously from Bed Bath & Beyond. Like I said, I already would have shopped there because everybody that I know shops there for back to school stuff just because it's so easy and they have pretty much everything you need. I'm gonna stop talking because we know I can talk for hours. So I'm gonna stop doing that. If you wanna follow my Instagram, I will be putting up some fun, you know, city living pictures of me. So check those out if your heart desires. All of this stuff I ordered online, I just shipped it to my door. But if you don't wanna do that, or you're moving cross country and you don't wanna like lug it in a moving truck, what you can do is actually order it online and then ship it to the Bed Bath & Beyond closest to your college. So that way it'll already be holding for you, so you won't have to, like I said, lug it all the way across the country, because who wants to do that? Nobody. Which is another reason why so many people shop at Bed Bath & Beyond for back to school, because it's so easy, it's so convenient. You just pick it up, take it to your dorm, boom. So pack and hold is a great option. Let's just get started. So basically, a lot of the stuff is organization because they do have organization stuff. This stuff is pretty much all over. Bed Bath & Beyond carries so much stuff. They carry bedding, mattresses, they carry laundry stuff. I'm gonna show you. I have a hamper. They even have personalized sorority stuff, so if you are joining a sorority and you want to be cute and, you know, put a little Kappa Delta embroidery on your hamper, you can do that, which is super cool. They literally have everything you would ever need, pots and pans. You'll see in this video just how diverse their selection is, which is super cool. First thing, so excited about, you can hold pants on this and hang it up instead of like folding it on a shelf and taking up shelf room. They're also made out of that super nice like felty material, like the nice, you know, those nice hangers that are made out of. It's the same material with these. That's 5 pairs, but you can probably put more than that. Honestly, that's what I'm gonna do just because like I have too many pants. These are great storage savers for obviously small college closets, so shout out. Speaking of fancy hangers, these are literally the exact hangers that I was talking about. I got a 50 pack of these nice hangers. I've heard so many people talk about these and I've seen so many people use them. I've heard many people say that they save space instead of those like clunky plastic hangers, which I have right now. And you know, obviously small closet, I'm gonna need to save space because yeah, it's something that I need to do. I feel so bougie now that I have these. I can only refer to these as bougie hangers. I don't know why. They're just nice and I hear great things about them. So I'm really excited about those. And a little break from all the closet stuff, I have this very heavy like marble, I guess like a utensil holder, like spatula tool holder. This is to carry all of our like whisks, spatulas, stuff like that. It's in a marble print, which is super on trend, super trendy and fun. And yeah, this is like so heavy, like this is real stone. Pretty random, but bag clips. My family doesn't have bag clips, so we have to like twist our bags to not make them stale, which is just not a fun time. So finally I'm a real adult and I have bag clips. Next, really random. This is a bowl. I already have put my jewelry in this, like in bobby pins and barrettes and stuff like that. Basically the whole thing with this video is small spaces because dorm living is obviously, everybody knows, pretty small. So that's why I have a lot of organizing stuff. I bought these to go under my bathroom drawers because my bathroom is very small. I was gonna put like hot tools in here, like a blow dryer. In the picture they have like towels and stuff, which also is a good idea. Also, I forgot to mention, if you already have a school checklist or you just have a checklist already, you can download it and then answer a few questions, and Bed Bath & Beyond will customize a personal checklist for you of basically everything on your checklist they'll give you products for. So stress-free, you don't have to look for everything you need. They will literally like give you what you need. So that's also very cool. Next is obviously a standard over-the-door hook rack. This is pretty self-explanatory. Probably put this in my bathroom, put some towels on it, maybe even put it in my closet, put some purses on it. We'll just have to see. I'll tell you what I do. I haven't really decided yet. And then, of course, I have a little trash can for my bathroom. Oh, and it has one of these cool things that like flips up, which is extremely fun to do. It comes with can liners, which is actually pretty cool. So, 2-in-1, baby. Next, this is crucial for literally every college student. Under the bed storage. It's off season, right? So say it's winter, all your summer clothes, put it under the bed storage. Vice versa, it's springtime, all your sweaters, under the bed storage. This is obviously just another way to maximize your small spaces. Like I just said, I'll probably just put like things that I'm not currently using or like off-season pieces. You could even put anything in here, slide onto your bed, won't even be there. Boom, you're organized and your clutter's out of the way. And then the next thing is so random, but I'm so excited about. It's this little mesh bin, which I could pretty much use for anything, but why I bought this is for basically like my groceries. So like bags of chips, bags of pretzels, bags of cauliflower puffs, which I just learned is a thing, and they're actually delicious. Plantain chips, perfect. Even if you don't have an apartment style dorm or you're not in an apartment, you're just in like a dorm with no kitchen, this would still be perfect to put pretty much anything in, and it'd be perfect to put food in. And then next I have these super cool and trendy bins right here. My closet is a wall closet, and most dorm closets are wall closets because they're just small. That's how it is. Mine has shelves at the top, so basically I bought 2 of these and we're gonna put them on the shelves and basically just put pretty much anything in here, honestly, like maybe t-shirts, maybe pants if those pant hangers don't hold on my pants. The next thing I'm about to show you, you need it, especially if you're living in community bathrooms. LED lighted mirror. Oh yeah, baby. So many dorm videos I've watched in dorm tours and stuff like that, or even like apartment tours, people have these on their desk and it's how they do their makeup. I don't know how I went so long living without one of these because like they're just so convenient. Now I can finally not have back problems when I do my makeup, which is truly a dream come true, so thank you. Also, kind of just going all over the place, I have this utensil holder for my drawers. It's kind of big, so hopefully it fits in it. I think it will. Pretty self-explanatory. It's also plastic too, so it's sturdy. More kitchen stuff. I know not everybody has a kitchen. I am fortunate to have one, so we got me a good old saucepan. Anyone that knows me knows I watch an excessive amount of Bon Appetit videos, so I will in fact be doing a lot of cooking. So we need our good old saucepans for that. Yeah, it's just like a Cuisinart 2-quart, I think. Next thing is a great thing. It is a handheld vacuum. Oh yeah, I could literally use this anywhere. I could use this in the kitchen. I could use it in my room. I think brooms are really annoying and I don't like them, so I think this is perfect. And also it's handheld, so literally use it anywhere you want. I didn't want to buy one of those big vacuums just because I didn't want to. And also I feel like this would be perfect for dorms because like you don't want a big vacuum in your small space. So this is perfect for that. Also more under the cabinet storage, I have this right here. Yeah, and then oh, that's not a good sound. It comes with a hook. And you basically just hook it onto your like cabinet door and then close it and you can put pretty much anything in here. I feel like this would be perfect for cleaning supplies. Yeah, that's probably what I will be using this for, but also just a great way to keep everything organized. And then I have this fun and amazing shower caddy that basically just goes over like the faucet. You can put your soap right here, your shampoo. It has hooks on the side too, so if you use a loofah, you can put that on the side as well. I know, like I said, some people have communal showers, so if you have communal showers, you have to use one of those like shower tub things, which if you are, I will say a prayer for you. I am so sorry. Community showering makes me have sweats, so I'm sorry if you have to do that. So I'm excited to have this and have everything like in one area and just have it nice and organized. The next thing is pretty big. Let's see if I can try to show this. Basically in my apartment situation, I don't have my own washer and dryer. I'll have to go downstairs and use like the community one, which is fine. But what I love about this is that the sides of it come up, and then you can squeeze it together, and it has like these drawstrings right here. So basically all your dirty clothes, you can just like make it super easy, pull it out of the bag, and then bring it downstairs to like the laundry area or like the laundromat. That's literally the reason why I bought this, just because it makes the laundry situation so much easier. Once again, say with me, 2 words, baby: under cabinet storage. I have another one of these. I'm sure I will find a use for this. If not, I will give it to my roommate. I didn't realize I ordered so many of these, but you know what? The more organization, the more storage, the better. So that's okay. But yeah, and this, I think I ordered this because it had like cleaning supplies in the picture. And once again, cleaning supplies can get pretty messy. This is just good to like put to maximize your space. And then another household item, which some people that don't have kitchens in their dorm, they still have a toaster. I got me a good old tostadora, which is apparently how you say toaster in Spanish. So I guess the more you know, the more you grow. That was so white. Pretty simple toaster. I do enjoy a nice avocado toast in the morning, so this will be great for toasting bread. It's a very essential kitchen tool. So next, more kitchen supplies. I got me a good old pan. I got a big one so I can pretty much do everything with it. Put a nice egg in here, saute some vegetables. I'm excited to use it and excited to have my own pots and pans. I don't know why, but shopping for very basic kitchen stuff like this just makes me really excited. So I'll update you on what I cook with this. Next thing. We all know I drink excessive amounts of coffee. I'm trying to stop because it makes my stomach hurt. I know, I'm so brave. I don't have a proper espresso cup, so I saw this on Bed Bath & Beyond, and I thought it was perfect to just have my espresso trickle into, and then I can pour it and make a latte. Can't wait to have this fuel my coffee addiction. Also, just to say even more organized, which this video is literally just me being organized, I have 2 of these acrylic bins, which as you can see, I've literally already been putting to use, which actually you can customize the shape. So these are, I think, 3x9, but you can do like 3x6, or I think there's bigger sizes as well. Yeah, but I chose 3x9, and basically I'm gonna put these in my desk in my dorm / apartment. Obviously put my art markers in here. So yeah, these are perfect. You can literally use these for anything. So versatile. You can do like makeup brushes. You can do what I did and do like art stuff. Honestly, anything would work with these. It's just a great way to like organize your drawers so they're not so cluttered. The last thing I have, I'm very excited about. Basically, I was watching Lindsay Rem, this YouTuber. She moved to LA and she was like showing off her room, and I saw that she had Euro shams. And I didn't even know square pillows like this had a name, but they do, and they're called Euro shams. And I'm like, those actually look really good. Let me get those as well. These super fluffy Euro sham inserts. So basically, I need like a cover for these because right now it's just the insert, but I am so excited for these. These are seriously the softest thing I've ever used, especially with dorm beds. They are so uncomfortable. They can be so flat. So I feel like with these, it just adds a whole another element. It makes your bed 10 times more comfy. Sleeping is one of my favorite activities, so if there's any way that I can make my sleeping experience better, I'll do that. So I bought these shams and I'm immensely excited. With that being said though, this was a very long video. I had so much stuff, but we are complete. That is basically all my dorm stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you watched this point, then you're a real one. Sorry for not posting for a while. I was just extremely uninspired, but I'm back on my grind. I have a lot of back to school videos coming soon. Back to college, move-in day, all the sorts. Also, once again, quick shout out to Bed Bath & Beyond. If you are moving into a dorm and you need to get any type of dorm item, hit up Bed Bath & Beyond. I will link every single one of these products down below. So if you saw something that you like, then check it out. Seriously, they are amazing. They have seriously everything that you would ever need for your dorm. And they make shopping so much easy. So shout out Bed Bath & Beyond. You guys rock. Thank you for being so awesome and for sticking around and supporting me and just being super cool. Literally makes me so incredibly happy. I will see you in my next video.